Track 71. A.
Music,
B.
science,
C.
French,
D.
geography,
E.
English,
F.
IT,
G.
art,
H.
history,
I.
PE,
J.
maths.
Track 72.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to school after the holidays. Now, there are some changes to the timetable. I want you to write them down. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Right. On Mondays, there aren't any changes to the timetable.
Do we have double maths in the morning?
Yes, you do. No changes on Monday. On Tuesday, your second lesson isn't art, it's history. Mr. Brown, your art teacher, doesn't teach on Tuesdays this term.
Does he teach art on another day?
Yes, he does. But I want to finish Tuesday first. Okay, the last lesson on Tuesday isn't IT, it's English with me. Right, so no changes on Monday and 2 changes on Tuesday. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Now, Wednesday, we've got a new music teacher this term. So the first lesson this term is music. It isn't maths.
Does she teach music after school too?
No, she doesn't. Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I do. I play the guitar.
Do we have PE in the afternoon?
Yes, you do. The last lesson is still PE. One more change. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On Thursday, after lunch, you have art, not geography.
Do we have double art?
No, you don't. You have 1 lesson of art. So that's all the changes. Does anyone have any questions? Good. Let's start the lesson.
Track 73. Example.
Does Lara have geography on Tuesdays?
Yes, she does.
1.
Does Lara have science on Wednesdays?
No, she doesn't.
2.
Does Lara have art on Fridays?
No, she doesn't.
3.
Does Lara have history on Mondays?
Yes, she does.
Track 74.
What's your name?
My name's Joanna.
Where do you come from?
I come from Australia.
Where do you go to school? Do you catch the bus?
I don't catch the bus to school. School comes to me.
Why does school come to you?
Because there isn't a town or a school near my house. I learn with School of the Air.
What's School of the Air?
It's learning on the internet.
When do you start your lessons in the morning?
Well, my first lesson starts at 8 o'clock.
Tell me more about your lessons.
I can see my teacher on my computer screen. I can hear and see her, and she can hear and see me. There are other students too. I can see and hear them.
How often do you have lessons?
I have them 5 days a week. I don't have them in the holidays.
Do you get homework? Who helps you with it?
Yes, I do. My mum and dad don't help me, but I can ask the other students from School of the Air for help.
Do you ever meet the other students?
Yes, I do.
When do you meet them?
We meet in the summer. We go to camp for a week.
So, do you like your school?
Yes, I think it's great.
Track 75. 1,
Where do you live?
2,
Who's your best friend?
3,
When do you have breakfast?
4,
How often do you clean your bedroom?
5,
What's your favourite subject?
6.
Why do you like football?
Track 76. Forum for Students, where students share ideas.
We learn English at school. This can help us speak to other people in English. How can we be good learners of English? Here are 5 top tips.
I read in English. I read comics in English. Comics are good because they are short and they've got pictures. I think reading helps me learn new words and phrases.
I watch TV in English. When I watch TV in English, I can also put on English subtitles so I can read what they say too. This helps me understand more.
I've got an English pen pal, a friend I write to. Every month, I write letters to him in English, and he writes letters to me. He's a friend of my family. He lives in England.
I listen to music in English. There is lots of pop music in English, and I like pop music. I listen to music when I walk to school. I listen and learn the words. Sometimes I read the words and listen too. Sometimes I sing in English, but only in the shower.
At home, I do my English homework in my bedroom. My brothers and sisters speak and watch TV in the living room, so I can't work in the living room. When I do homework, I stop and take a break every 15 minutes.
Track 77.
Today, we're speaking about learning English. Our first student is Pablo. Hello, Pablo. How can we help you?
Hello. It's difficult to remember new vocabulary in English. What can I do?
What suggestions can we give Pablo?
What about making vocabulary cards? Write the new word on a card. Turn the card over and draw a picture. Look at the picture. Can you remember the word? Turn the card over. Are you right? You can get a friend or someone in your family to ask you too.
Making vocabulary cards. I like it. Any other ideas?
You can put words on things in the house. For example, write the word bed on a piece of paper and put it on your bed. Then you can see it when you go to bed.
Putting words on things in the house. Great!
Learning words in groups is a good idea. Write the name of the group on a piece of paper. For example, school subjects. Then write the words for school subjects in English around it.
Learning words in groups. Yep. There's time for one more.
What about having a book to write new words in? A vocabulary notebook. Write new words in a notebook. When you have time, check you understand the new words. You can use a dictionary to help. Writing the word in a sentence is a good idea. Or you can think of a word in your language.
A vocabulary notebook. Great! So, Pablo, lots of good suggestions.
Yes, thank you.
Track 78.
Hi, welcome to Radio YLO. Today, we're talking to Imogen Anderson. She's an actress, and you can see her in lots of things on TV. She lives in Los Angeles with her parents and her 2 sisters. Imogen, thanks for talking to us today. Now, tell us about your school. Where do you go to school?
Well, I don't go to school. I study at home with my sisters. My mum teaches us.
That's interesting. And what's your favourite subject?
My favourite subject is English. I love it. I don't like history or geography very much.
Oh, and what do you do when you're not studying?
I listen to music. I get lots of music from the internet. And I see my friends on Saturday and Sunday.
And what sport do you like?
I don't watch sport on TV. I think it's really boring. But I like ice skating. I go to a club with my sister every Saturday.
Thanks for talking to us, Imogen.
You're welcome. Bye.
Track 79.
Penpalchatter.com. Home. Find a pen pal. Join pen pals. Chat. Who's online? My account.
Hi everyone. My name's Rodrigo and I come from Spain. I'm 14 years old and I go to school in Madrid. My favourite subjects are maths and science. I love all sports and I play football for my school. In my free time after school, I play computer games or go out with my friends. At weekends, we go to see a movie or go to a cafe for a drink. I don't watch much TV, but I listen to a lot of music. I also like to play the guitar and sing. What about you? What's your name? How old are you? What things do you like? What kind of things do you do at weekends? Write to me soon.